from the physics. Today we are solving the problems related to the optics, that is the reflection of the light. The problem is related to the concave mirror. According to the statement, object is placed in front of the concave mirror and we are going to find out the distance from the concave mirror to the image. The image formed at the screen. As we know, the real image is at the screen. We have given the distance from mirror to the object is 25. Why I choose negative? Because it is against the incident ray or according to the new sign conventions. So according to the sign conventions, it is negative. Secondly, given is the focal length of the mirror. The focal length is also the negative because it is according to the new sign conventions. From here to here it is a negative. As the incident ray is in this direction, we measure in this direction, so it is also negative, it is also negative. So we have the given data. The distance from mirror to the object is this one and the height of the object is this one. The focal length of the mirror is minus 15 cm. Why we choose negative? Which is according to new Cartesian sign conventions. We are going to find out the distance of the image from the mirror means B. Secondly, nature of the image means whether it is a real or virtual. Third one is size of the image. Means if the image object is magnified, then how much it magnified? As we know that according to the mirror formula, 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F. Then I put the value of U is minus 25 plus 1 upon V equal to F. Value of F is minus 1,5. Then by rearrange, you will see that this one. By taking the LCM, which is the 75. 75 divided by 15, I will get the 5. 75 divided by 25, you will get the 3. Right? I also get the 3. And when I subtract, it will become equal to minus 2 upon 75. Then by just reciprocate, you will see that it becomes minus 37.5. Third one problem is to find out the size, nature of the image. Nature of the image is how we can find out. Most important point is when the value of m is negative, generally the image is real. When the value of m is positive, generally the image is virtual. Virtual image which we can't obtain on the screen. If this one is a candle and this one is screen, this one is a mirror, the reflection of mirror, if I can't obtain on the screen, then it is a virtual. If I obtain on the screen, then it will be the real. You have already done that things in lab. Nature of the image we can find out minus V upon U. Just put the values. You will see that answer is a negative. If m is the negative, the image will be real. Generally, in most cases, the value of the image is real for the concave, but maybe virtual. So the image is a real, right? The value of m is 1.5, means the size of the object is magnified 1.5 times. Now I am going to find out the size of the image. I know m is equal to size of image upon size of object. But the size of object is 4 cm and the value of m is 1.5. When I just multiply it, I will get the size of image, which is the 6 cm. So the image will be magnified, means image is larger than the object. It means image is in a larger size and as compared to the size of the object. So in this way, we can find out the nature of image. And the nutshell means in the summarize, I say that if you find out the nature of the image, you find out the value of m, and you find out the sign of them. If the sign is positive, then it will be virtually. If negative, then real. Then you are going to find out the distance of the image from the mirror. You just put the values and the given formula, you will be able to find out. One important thing note, you also write the sign of this one. Sometimes students not write these signs, the answer will be obviously wrong. So you must care about it, that you must choose the new Cartesian sign convention. Without new Cartesian sign convention, your answer will be wrong. That's the important point. Thank you.